Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. Scanners are essential for every trader. They quickly search the markets by volume, price, market cap, and more, based on your exact criteria. That's why the $1 Million Margin Club is proud to bring you 5 powerful custom scanners designed by the Professor of Day Trading for Success. We begin with the Consolidation Scanner, which uses several filters to zero in on particular stocks by narrowing the range of the price to between $25 to $400. Next is a coded custom study that looks for liquidity when scalping by confirming the average volume of the 1-minute candles will be 50,000 or more. A second custom study ensures there is enough of a price range for trading by filtering for stocks with ATRs of 2 or more. In addition to the custom studies, there are 3 custom-coded columns, including the price percentage remaining until the high of day, the 1-day 1-minute average volume, and 10-day 1-minute average volume, which at a glance can assure proper liquidity. The next scanner, the Professor's High of Day scanner, sifts stocks through 4 filters, beginning with finding stocks that have volume over 100,000 shares. A filter for the number of shares has been made available with no limit selected. A minimum of $2 for the last price has been set to eliminate the noise of penny stocks. The key coded study for this scanner searches for stocks that reach the high of day. This is where traders will look to confirm a bullish continuation or a bearish retracement. The Professor's 4% Gap and Go scanner begins by looking for stock prices between $1 and $20. Looking for stocks with potential for big gains. The second filter is for a float size under 10 million, seeking stocks with fewer shares that are available to trade. While the third filter checks for stocks that have volume of minimum of 100,000 shares traded. The final 2 filters test for higher prices above yesterday's close. The first checks if the open of the market has a price that is at least 4% greater than yesterday's close. The second filter checks during the open session to see if the current candle's high is greater than yesterday's close by at least 4%. The Professor's 50K per minute mid-cap scanner first filters the price to find stocks that are between $25 and $200. The market cap is set at a minimum of $2 billion to ensure finding stocks that are a mid-cap or greater. A key coded filter for this scanner is a study that tests if the average 1-minute candle will have a volume of at least 50,000 shares. An average true range with a minimum 1.5 is checked for as well. The latest scanner, the Professor's Volume and Price per 1-minute candle, looks for stocks that are priced between $25 and $400. The scanner is designed to look for large cap stocks with a minimum market cap of $10 billion. A custom study is set to look for an ATR equal to or greater than $3. A coded custom study tests for a minimum of 15-cent range for an average 1-minute candle. And another tests for a minimum volume of 10,000 for the average 1-minute candle. 4 custom coded columns are included. The price percentage remaining from high of day, the price spread between the bid and the ask. The average volume of 1-minute candle for a 1-day and 10-day period. Once you have found a list of equities to trade, it's time for a deeper dive into each through news, charts, and strategy guides. Every scanner offered includes a video that details how to import customized indicators, layouts, scanners, and columns. Once you have the customized column imported, you can access it by left-clicking the button to the right of search results. The window that pops up will offer ways to change, save, or delete column sets. Left-clicking the Customize Column Sets button will take you to the list of available column headers. In this window, you can search for a specific column's name by typing the name in the Lookup a Column box. You can also scan through the columns by scrolling up and down the list here. Any customized columns you import will be listed by the name they were given. This list on the right has all the columns that will appear on your scanner. They are shown in the order they will appear, from left to right. You can reorder them by left-clicking, then dragging and dropping them where you want them to appear. Using these two buttons at the bottom, you can add or remove columns from your list. Left-click a column name, and either click Add or Remove to move the selected column header. Once you have the columns the way you want them, you can left-click the Save As button and give your customized column set a unique name, or you can left-click the OK button, which will save it to the current column layout. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.